Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Coupon with the Lady. So I went over to CVS tonight and actually did my coupon haul. Now, a couple of things I wasn't able to get because I had not gotten my coupons, and that was the Almay and the Revlon. So I did miss out on getting those. I still have one day left. Depending on how I feel tomorrow, I may go over and do that. But let me show you what I did get, and let me show you what the coupons will and won't work on. Really spent some time with the clerk, Patrick, tonight, who helped me figure out what the silly CoverGirl coupons do and don't cover. So, the first thing, though, that I got was the Rimmel Cosmetics. Since I didn't have the Almay or Revlon coupons, I decided to go with the Rimmel. I did have the printable coupons for $3 off one of the Rimmel products, and y'all have to excuse, I've got Spike and Mama helping me. So I picked up two of these Brow This Way lightweight gel ledgers. There might have been a couple of products that were a little cheaper than that. Those were actually $4.79 each. So I picked two of those up. I had two of the $3 off one coupons that went through without any problems at all. I ended up spending $3.58 and getting back $3 in ECBs on that. Then I also picked up the CoverGirl. Now, at first I picked up these, the Ford palette eyeshadows, but my coupons beeped. Both the coupons from the inserts and the coupons that were printed out all beeped for that product. And so Patrick and I went through just about everything we could to find a product that would work. Now, the Brow Your Way probably would work on it because these liners actually worked on it. These are the perfect blend. I happen to like these liners. They're a little bit more expensive than what other people are picking up, so that's okay with me because I know it applies to beauty. These were $6.79 a piece. I did have two of the $2 off one coupons from the 10/7 Smart Source. That brought my price down to $9.58 and giving me back 5 ECBs. Now, I put these two deals together. I had a $4 off 15 Redbox coupon for makeup, and I applied that to that, and it brought my price down so that all four of these only ended up being 29 cents each. That was a really good deal. Then I picked up the Speed Stick deodorants. Now, the Speed Stick deodorant are on sale when you buy two for $5.50. You'll get back $2.50 in ECBs. So, I did not have coupons, but I did have a RBC for $1 off one that I did apply to that. That brought the price all the way down to $1 each. The next thing that I picked up were the One-A-Day Nature's Medley Vitamins. They're on sale for $5 a piece. I did have the coupons for $4 off one, that I got from oneaday.com. I also had a $3 off 15 vitamin Redbox coupon. That brought my price all the way down to $0, making those free. Then the last thing in this transaction I picked up were these Zantac, 150 milligram Zantacs. They were at my, now remember my last video, I told y'all, you know, the online price says that the Zantac are, what did it say? It was like $7.99. And I told you I thought at my store they were $9.99. Well, how about at my store? They're $10.49. So they are more expensive. I picked up 3 of the boxes of Zantac. I did have 3 of the $4 off one printable coupons. I actually had 2 of them from coupons.com, which I could not find anymore, but they were available over at Zantac.com. I also had an amazing Redbox coupon for $10 off of a $30 purchase for any heartburn product. That brought my price all the way down to $9.47, and I got back 10 ECBs, making this deal a 53-cent moneymaker. So I was very tickled with that. Let me show you that receipt right quick. So Patrick helped me tonight. Thank you, Patrick, and thank you for being so patient and helping me figure out what will and what won't work on those coupons for the CoverGirl. You can see here we have the deodorants and the vitamins and the Rimmel and the CoverGirl. I went in with 19 ECBs. Those are all of my coupons. I went in with 19 ECBs. I paid $4.13 out of pocket. And on this one, I saved $75.75, a 95% savings. And then I got back $20.50 in ECBs. And I took that $10 one off the bottom and applied it to my second transaction. Now my second transaction was short and sweet. All I did was this baby deal on the Aveeno baby products. They are on sale. When you spend $20, you'll get back 10 ECBs. So I picked up 2 of the eczema therapy soothing bath treatments and 2 different types of the lotion. I got the daily moisture lotion and the calming comfort lotion. Now they are all for $7.49 each. So the first one would ring up for $7.49. The second one would ring up for $3.74, and it repeated itself. I had 4 of the $2 off 1 coupons that were internet printable coupons on the Aveeno. I ended up paying, let's see, it would have been $14.46 out of pocket, but I did use ECBs. But you get back 10 ECBs for that, making those only $1.12 each. Now it's a little bit less for me because I did use 10 ECBs, remember, from the first transaction. So this is my receipt and how that looks. And you can see I used that $10 ECB. And I paid $4.46 out of pocket on this one. And saved $25.50. And it did spit back out 10 more ECBs. So my totals for this trip, this is, believe it or not, $109.84 worth of products. I spent $8.59 out of pocket. That's only 54 cents per product. Can you imagine paying 54 cents for medication? That doesn't happen often. I also brought home $20.50 in ECBs for next week. And I believe I have rolled myself over onto beauty to get another $3 beauty buck. There is, it's this, $23.16 worth of beauty. And that's going to do it for this video. I've got to get back to work on getting y'all's top deals videos done. And I gotta try to calm down these critters that are starting to bark on me. That would be the spike monkey making a lot of racket. Yes, you are. Okay, guys, I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Let me know how y'all's trips went this week at CVS. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. As always, I'll put the breakdown over at the website. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Touches my heart. I hope you have a wonderful, wonder-filled weekend. Bye, guys.